Breaking news, a 50-acre Arctic island sparks a new kind of war.
Located in the Arctic corridor, Frostline Island lies at the intersection of major orbital trade routes and satellite relay paths.
Whoever controls it controls the future of space commerce. This frozen island controls a key space trade route.
Washington and Beijing now both claim Frostline Island as sovereign ground, a conflict that could decide control of the orbital trade network.
Tensions rise as both superpowers deploy robotic forces near Frostline.
Control over this route means dominance in orbital fuel trade. To avoid human casualties, nations agree to a robot-only conflict.
We stand at the precipice of a new era, an era defined by strength, innovation, and unwavering resolve. 10 Optimus units and 5 armed drones will represent the United States.
10 G1 humanoids and 5 drones stand ready.
Billions prepare to witness history unfold live. The first robotic war in human history is about to begin.
Deck status. Pods green, ready for deployment.
Left hip recalibrated, motor friction within tolerance. Run secondary gate test.
Primary core online. Boot sequence 90%.
G1 units disembark. Confirm armament and patrol vectors.
Fire lines clear, laser primed, flamethrower pressure nominal.
Multiple vectors inbound. Remote assets will secure the perimeter.
Frostline Island, 50 acres of frozen strategy.
Touchdown confirmed. Initiate perimeter lock. Initiate perimeter lock.
G1 units, secure towing. Deploy swarm perimeter. Fortify Sector Delta. Lying. No interference tolerated. Base Camp Alpha. Tilrud. Defensive grid online.
Eyes in the sky. Movement at grid E4.
Thermal anomalies dissected. Range 240 meters. Awaiting signal tone. Engage on motion detection. Thermal contrast detected. Unknown signature.
Contact. Return fire. Pin him down. The first encounter leaves no victor. Only silence in the snow. Phase 2 begins. The world's first robot war is live.
Eagle 1 hit. Repeat, Eagle 1 down.
Sector clear. Wait. Thermal spike ahead.
Ammunition 61%.
That's how we do it. Push through.
Trajectory aligned. Execute.
Eagle 1 hit. Repeat, Eagle 1 down.
Thermal saturation exceeded VAVR. Fall back. Two machines. One will adapt faster.
Data compromised. Mission fragment erased.
Combat complete. System recalibrating. After hours of machine warfare, no victor remains.
History just changed. Humanity watches its own creation fight.
Eagle 3. Low power. Visual acquisition complete. Returning data uplink.
Shut it down. Retrieve every chip before they do.
They were never meant to hate, only to obey. The war no human fought, but every human watched.
Both nations deny defeat, but the battlefield lies silent.
Out of 50, only a handful still whisper life.
International agencies move to declare the island off limits.
The final march. Metal against metal. Courage against code. Alpha team, push East Ridge. Keep spacing. Two nations. 10 survivors. One frozen field that decides everything. And in one breath, the world held its fire plea.
Breaking news. Unidentified object entering Earth's atmosphere. Impact zone still unconfirmed.
We're detecting a large heat anomaly entering from the upper stratosphere.
Confirmed visual, that's not a satellite, it's massive.
We lost telemetry.
The object is accelerating. Command, are you seeing this? Calculating survival probability. 0.
All stations, brace for collision. It's entering the troposphere. Impact imminent.
When machines fought for us, the sky decided otherwise.
Visual saturation. Impact confirmed. In that instant, enemies and allies became one. Dust under the same sky.
Frostline Island is gone.
Victory meant nothing when the ground itself was gone.
For the first time, both superpowers mourned together.
Perhaps in silence, we'll remember what we tried to conquer.
Reboot complete. Mission failed, but you can still like and subscribe for humanity's sake.